Hello guys. Today we are going slime shopping. Oh my god. For my channel, I am starting a new channel and I'm selling slime here in Tizelle. This is a small town, but we're gonna go slime shopping and see if the small town has any glue or slime stuff. Look what happened to this poor house. I think a fire happened here while me and my mom were gone. But I'm walking right now and I have a cold. Yeah, my mom gave me $80 to go slime shopping. So people say that there's slime at this co-op Home Depot store thingy. So there's like big Elmer's glue jugs. Oh, there's a bunch of mud. Getting my new shoes. No. Slowly, Trinity. Okay. Oh. And I will see you there. So we are the phone thingy paused on me, but the Home Depot is right there, and there's a co-op over there, but the Home Depot is right there. So I found the glue. I'm talking quiet because there's people around me. Let's check the glue.
Is that everything?
Yep. Okay, guys. I just run across here. Someone's trying to pass. But I found the glue. Holy shit, it's heavy. I have a bad cold. Why am I walking around? But first, we were walking to the 50-cent store to get some. I got a list here to get some stuff. And then it cost me $15 from my mom. But I'm pretty sure this glue's gonna last long. I was gonna buy two, but then I would have wasted up all my money. Yeah. Okay, we are here.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, can I take my bag right here? This is where I used to get all my thing. As you can see, some of it's gone because of me. But we were looking for some ingredients. This is where I used to get all my thing. As you can see, some of it's gone because of me. But we were looking for some ingredients. Okay, so I found containers. They look expensive, but then I found these two and they're only $3. So I'm gonna get these two thingies. So I found glue, we found glitter. I'm just trying to find something else. So I found balloons here. I found these things and the balloons and that's, and I think I lost my slip. No, I didn't. I have balloons, containers. Just need shaving cream. I don't know where they have shaving cream or I might have to go to the next store for shaving cream. Nope, I guess I was wrong. Shaving cream is right here. Yep, that is it for the videos, guys. Subscribe. Okay, guys, oh my god, I got everything. I got all the stuff and glue and everything. I just forgot to get tied, but I can get that next time. I have enough tied at home. But I'm doing a haul once I get home. So, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye.